Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your Squarespace website with Instagram Shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Squarespace website if you're not already, by going to squarespace.com, and once you open it up and log in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here we can get started managing our website by looking at the left side of the screen at the left, where we can go ahead and find all the sections we can use for accessing and managing our website. And what we're looking for is the bottom of the screen. This is the settings tab. You're going to click the settings tab, and from here you can get started accessing everything you need. And what we're looking for is this option right here that says third-party tools. So we can open up third-party tools, and from here we can access the extensions tab. That's going to enable us to manage the extensions we can use, but we also have connected accounts. If you open up connected accounts, it's going to enable you to click connect account and enable you to select an Instagram account that you want to connect. By using this and selecting your Instagram, you can also access some extensions that are going to enable you to manage your store, and just like that you are going to be able to integrate your Instagram, but it might not be able to enable you to directly integrate it with Instagram Shop. So what you're going to do is use some code to go ahead and implement your embed code and HTML code into your website code for direct access to your Instagram Shop, so you have to play around with that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.